Hello students, in the last class we discussed about the pre-fertilization event, that is the gametogenesis. In that we discussed about the unisexual or a dioecious, bisexual or a monoecious, hermaphrodite, staminate flower, pistillate flower, homogametic, heterogametic, all these things we discussed in a last or previous video. Today I will start the actual gamete formation process. Okay, briefly we have to study all these things in a third chapter detailedly, that is the human reproduction. Okay, in the gamete formation, first point, in a heterogametic species two gametes are formed. Heterogametic in the sense morphologically different gametes, male and a female. In case of higher organisms, male gamete is a motile, female gamete is stationary or a non-motile. Second point, gametes are haploid in nature. Those are formed by the meiosis, cell division. Meiosis is a reductional type of a division. The meiosis means reductional division occurs in a diploid organisms. In case of a higher organism which are in diploid condition, in those organisms we can see the meiosis. But one thing, what about in case of a haploid organism? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ದೆ ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮಿಟ್ಸು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮು ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಗ್ಯಾಮಿಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡು ಪೇರೆಂಟೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಗ್ಯಾಮಿಟ್ಸು ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. In those cases we can see the mitosis, cell division. Haploid organism idra by the mitosis the gametes are produced. Those are the haploid gametes. But yenadru organism diploid agidra, no worry. Diploid idra we can see the meiosis. By that haploid organism produces the diploid gametes. Is it clear? I hope all of you getting all these points. Next point, in the diploid organism we can see the meiocytic cells. Meiocytic cells are nothing but the gamete mother cells. Those are the gamete mother cells. In the diploid organism some specialized cells are present. Those act as a meiocytic cells. Meiocytic cells anta yaake ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ later they undergoes to the meiosis, cell division and produces the gametes. A group of cells which undergoes to the meiosis then produces the gametes. Okay, those specialized cells are called as a meiocytic cells. Meiocytic cells are also called as a gamete mother cells. Okay, then next point, male gamete is formed by the spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis is a type of gametogenesis. Sperma means sperm is a male gamete. It is a process of formation of a male gamete, that is sperm. Sperm produce ಆಗೋ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ gamete is produced by the oogenesis process. Ova or a egg is produced by the gametogenesis, that is called oogenesis process. Okay, spermatogenesis and oogenesis you have to study in a third chapter, human reproduction. This is like a introduction for you guys. Next we can discuss about the second event, that is the gamete transfer process. Okay, in that first point, male and a female gametes are formed. Later they must be physically brought together to facilitate the fusion or a fertilization. Already male ಮತ್ತು female gamete produce ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. Male gamete is motile or a female gamete is non-motile. In some cases we can see both are motile and both are non-motile. Now usual cases na tagondra male gamete is a motile, female gamete is a non-motile or a stationary. Okay, they must be brought together, eradu sameepa barabeku, then only the fusion occurs. Okay, the fusion of male and a female gamete is called as a fertilization. The fusion of male and a female gamete is called as a fertilization. It will come for 1 mark. What is fertilization means? It is a process of fusion of male and a female gamete. Okay. Next point. Male gametes are generally motile and female gametes are stationary. Gamete transfer requires a suitable media. In case of algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, that is the water. Okay. Male gametes usually ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವೋ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸು ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ದೆನ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ. ಇನ್ ದ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ. ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟು ಈಜ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟನ್ನು ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ possible. Okay, next point. But in few algae and fungi, both the male and female gametes are motile. Then it is very easy. Eradu swim ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು by the chance they get fused to form a zygote. ಎರಡು motile ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು swim ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು at some point they will fuse. Next point. Large number of male gametes are synthesized compared to the female gametes. This is very important. Okay, reason keltirtare why more number of male gametes are produced compared to the female gametes. Yakandra female gamete is non motile, adu iddalle irutta. Male gamete is a motile. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ a few male gamete will reach the female gamete. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟನ್ನು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸೂ ಫರ್ಟಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟನ್ನು ಫೀಮೇಲನ್ನು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್. Next point, in flowering plants are nothing but the angiospermic plants. Angiospermic plants, pollen grains carry the male gamete. Okay, pollen grains which carries the male gametes, which transfers to the stigma through the style. This process is called as a pollination. In a flowering plant ಒಳಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ those are present in the pollen grains. Okay, in case of plants we can see the special type of fusion of male and female gametes by the process called a pollination. Okay, the process of transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of the same flower or a different flower is called as a pollination. Okay, pollen grains ಒಳಗಡೆ male gamete ಇರುತ್ತೆ, stigma. It is a part of the female reproductive structure, that is a carpel or a pistil. Okay, stigma ಇಂದ stigma ಮೇಲೆ stick on ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ through the style. Elongated structure ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I will show here. This is the stigma, this is the style. At the bottom we can see the ovary. Pollen grains stigma ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು they will reach the ovary. Then the fertilization occurs in the ovary. Then here stigma through the style, this process is called as a pollination. Female gamete present in a ovary. Okay, next. There are two types of pollination, cross pollination and self pollination. Cross ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ದು ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ದು ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ದು ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟು ಭಾಳ ಅದು. ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನು ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸು ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಗಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಏರ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಂಡ್. ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಡೀಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟಮೋಫಿಲಿ, ಎನಿಮೋಫಿಲಿ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಫಿಲಿ. By the water, by the air, wind and insects. Pollination by the external agents. Okay. Next point, bisexual plants, we can see the self-fertilization. Self-fertilization andra stigma receives its pollen grains only. Ade flower du pollen grains ade flower the carpel or pistil ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. Then only we can see the self fertilization. There is no requirement of any pollinating agents. ಯಾವುದೇ pollinating agents requirement ಇಲ್ಲ. No requirement of pollinating agents. Self fertilization. Okay. In the last point, in case of animals, male and female gametes are formed in different individuals. Male ಮತ್ತು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ದ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಮೇಲ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. That process is called as a mating. It is, we can see in case of animals. Okay, this is all about the first event, that is in the sexual reproduction free fertilization event. Overall ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಏನೇನು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮೇಲ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್, ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ process called gamete transfer. In case of aquatic animals or the aquatic plant, water is the best media for transfer the gametes. But plants ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ that is the cross pollination and the self pollination. Bisexual plants ಒಳಗಡೆ we can easily see the self pollination. But in case of cross pollinating plants, the pollinating agents are playing the important role for a fertilization. Okay, but in case of higher animals, the specialized mechanism, we can see the male organism or a male animal injects its male gametes or the sperm into the female reproductive part. That process or a mechanism is called a mating mechanism. Then in the next event, that is the fertilization event. This is the second event in the sexually reproducing organism. Fertilization means it is a process of fusion of male and a female gamete. You already discussed, this is a male plus a female. It is a process of fusion of male and a female gamete. It is also called as a syngamy. It is very important, they will ask for one mark. What is syngamy? It is a process of fusion of male and a female gamete. Okay. Then fertilization results in the formation of diploid zygote. We already discussed many times, a male gamete is haploid plus female gamete is also haploid to produce a 2n, that is diploid in condition, to form a zygote. ಎರಡು ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಇನ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಡಿಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ zygote. It is very important. Haploid gamete in the diploid zygote. Okay. There is a note for you guys. In some organisms like a honeybee, lizards and birds, female gametes undergo development to form a new organism without the with the fertilization, without the, sorry, here I can write without fertilization. This phenomenon is called as a parthenogenesis. You already studied here in the last year. In case of animals, here honeybees ಮತ್ತು lizards and birds, ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ದು ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲಾರ್ದೇ ತಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ in producing the new offsprings. That phenomenon is called as a parthenogenesis. Without fertilization new offspring ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? parthenogenesis. Okay, then next point we can see the two types of fertilizations. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ is a internal fertilization. First one, external fertilization in the sense a fusion of male and a female gamete occur outside of the female body. Next, internal fertilization means a fusion of male and female gametes are occur inside the female organism or a female body. Here, in aquatic plants, syngamy occurs, that is a fertilization. Syngamy in the sense that is a fertilization. In aquatic plants, syngamy occurs. In aquatic animals also. I will write here. In aquatic plants and the animals, syngamy occurs in external media, that is water. Aquatic animals andra hydrophytes anta keltivi. ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಫೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀರೊಳಗಿರೋ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಕ್ವಾಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಫೀಮೇಲ್ದು ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ದಟ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ ಟೆರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ syngamy occurs inside the body of an organism. In terrestrial organisms, syngamy occurs inside the body of an organism. The process is called as a internal fertilization. ಟೆರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲಿರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಗ್ಯಾಮಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is a special mechanism, that is a injection of male gamete into the female gamete by the mating process. Mating in the male organism ತನ್ನ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮನ್ನು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಲಿ inside or internal fertilization is occurs. Okay, next, male gamete is motile in case of internal fertilization and reach the egg to fuse it to form a zygote. Finally ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ there is a formation of a diploid zygote. Okay, today we discuss about the gamete formation, gamete transfer and also a gamete fusion to form a zygote, that is a fertilization or a syngamy. Okay, in the next class we can discuss about the last event, that is a post fertilization events. Thank you.